Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Suma Shankar. In this video, we are going to talk about the criteria for spontaneity of a reaction. Now, what is the criteria for spontaneity of a reaction? This concept is very important concept in so many competitive exams like AU set or MSc entrance exam. Now, criteria for spontaneity of a reaction. Whether the reaction is spontaneity, it's decide about the some particular criteria is present in the thermodynamic function. The thermodynamic functions or properties are change in entropy and change in enthalpy and change in Gibbs free energy and change in work function. These are the thermodynamic function. What is the criteria for this function? The reaction is spontaneity. That is the main basic concept of the in this section. Now this is the very useful to and very wonderful concept in thermodynamics. First of all, I am derive the basic equation to the according to entropy concept. Now entropy concept already you know that entropy concept in delta S total is greater than 0. This is the irreversible process. Change in entropy is greater than 0, but in delta S total equal to 0, change in entropy is equal to 0. This is the reversible process. Already you know that this is the what is the change in entropy in a reversible process and what is change in entropy in reversible process in according to my previous classes. This is delta S total is greater than 0. Now what happened? Delta S total means delta S total is equal to greater than or equal to, this is the delta S total greater than or equal to 0 in this two expression. Now this greater than symbol is represented, its greater than sign is represented to the irreversible process and equal to symbol equal to sign is represented to the reversible process. Now what happened? Delta S total means delta S system plus delta S surrounding is greater than 0. Now what happened in delta S system plus delta S surrounding? Delta S system greater than or equal to minus delta S surrounding. This expression is present in there. Now what happened in reaction A to B? This is the chemical reaction. The heat is observed to this system. What happened? The heat is observed to this system. The delta S surrounding. Delta S surrounding, what happened? The heat is observed to this system. It means delta S surrounding is negative sign is present in there because of the heat is lost of this surrounding. Now Q minus Q reversible, this process is reversible process by T. This is the delta S surrounding is equal to minus Q reversible by temperature. This process is reversible process. Q is observed to the system. What happened? Change in entropy in surrounding is equal to minus Q reversible by temperature. This expression is present in there. Now what happened in delta S surrounding equal to minus Q reversible by temperature? In first law of thermodynamics says that FLTD says that Q reversible equal to d plus PdV. In this expression, in this value is substituted in this equation of delta S surrounding is equal to minus d plus PdV by T. d plus PdV by T, delta S surrounding. Now what happened in delta S system is greater than or equal to minus delta S surrounding. Now delta S system, what happened in this equation? Delta S system greater than or equal to, this is the minus or minus into minus is plus. Now what happened? dE plus PdV by T. Now this T value is in this side is divided, but in this side is into, it means multiplication. Therefore T into ds system is greater than or equal to dE plus PdV. This is the general equation. TdS is greater than or equal to dE plus PdV. This is the basic equation are present in the entropy concept. what is this equation? N is negligible and TdS is greater than or equal to dE plus PdV. This is the basic equation are present in the this concept, entropy concept. This is the basic equation. What is the criteria for the change in entropy and change in enthalpy? This basic equation is used. First of all, criteria based on change in entropy. Criteria based on change in entropy. What happened in TdS greater than dE plus PdV? What happened in this expression at constant internal energy and volume? What happened? Delta S is greater than 0. At constant volume is D is 0. At constant volume is dV is 0. 0 into P is also 0. Now TdS greater than 0. In this delta S greater than 0. It means delta S at constant entropy and constant internal energy and volume is greater than or equal to 0. This is the criteria for based on change in entropy. Now this greater than sign is represented to the irreversible process. This equal to sign is represented to the reversible process. And in change in entropy at constant and the constant internal energy and constant volume is greater than 0, it means delta change in entropy is positive. It is a reversible process. This is a spontaneous reaction are present in there are feasible. But in delta S is greater than delta S equal to 0, the reaction is reversible, or the value of the delta S is equal to 0, the reaction is reversible or equilibrium. This is the criteria based on delta S. Another one is the criteria based on internal energy. What is the reaction is present in the general equation? TdS greater than or equal to dE plus PdV. Now we have to find out the dE value. Now D it means D this, so PdV value is in this side. What happened? This one is less than or equal to TdS minus PdV. This expression is present in this expression. Now DE is less than or equal to TdS minus PdV. This expression is present in there. Now what happened at constant entropy and constant volume, dE is less than or equal to 0. At constant entropy and volume, it means ds is change in entropy is also 0, change in volume is 0, this expression is 0. Now d is greater than or equal to 0. Now what is the criteria? The change in internal energy, the subscript to S and V is less than or equal to 0. It means the delta E is negative, it means is less than the change in internal energy less than is the process is irreversible or spontaneous. Equal to 0, the reaction is reversible or equilibrium. This is the change in internal energy subscript S and V. It means entropy and volume constant. This is the less than or equal to 0. It's the change in internal energy is negative. It is a irreversible or spontaneous or feasible. And if it is a equal to 0, the reaction is reversible or equilibrium. When the delta E is positive, it means change in internal energy is positive of that reaction. The reaction is a non-spontaneous. That is the criteria based on delta E, and another one is the criteria based on enthalpy. Criteria based on change in enthalpy. Change in enthalpy, what happened? The reaction is present in the basic reaction is TdS is greater than dE plus PdV, but enthalpy is equal to E plus PV. This is the E plus PV. Now the change in enthalpy is equal to change in internal energy plus, this is the partial differentiation. What happened? D dV PdV plus VdP. Now what happened in this expression dE plus PdV? Now we have to find out the dE plus PdV in this expression. What is the value? dE plus PdV is equal to dH minus VdP. This value is substituting in this expression. Now delta S is greater than or equal to delta H minus VdP. Now in this expression what happened? We have to find out the change in enthalpy. It means delta H is less than or equal to TdS plus VdP. This expression is present in this reaction. TdS is greater than or equal to dH minus VdP. Now dH is less than or equal to TdS plus VdP. Now what happened in this equation? At constant entropy and pressure, what happened? Delta H is less than or equal to 0. Now the criteria based on the enthalpy, change in enthalpy is at constant entropy and constant pressure is less than or equal to 0. This less than symbol is represented to the irreversible process, and this symbol is used for the reversible. This sign is reversible. What happened in change in enthalpy at constant entropy and pressure is less than 0. It means less than 0. The sign of the change in enthalpy is negative. It means the change in enthalpy is negative. The reaction is reversible or spontaneous or feasible. When the delta H is equal to 0, the reaction is reversible or equilibrium, and the delta H is greater than 0. It means that sign of the delta H is positive. The reaction is non-spontaneous. This is the criteria based on change in enthalpy. And another concept is criteria based on change in Gibbs free energy. Criteria based on Gibbs free energy, change in Gibbs free energy delta G. Now what happened in general equation? TdS is greater than dE plus PdV. Now in criteria based on delta G, G is equal to H minus Ts. Now what happened? Partial differentiation, dG is equal to dH minus TdS minus S dt. This expression is present in this partially differentiation. Now what happened? dH is equal to, already you know that dH is equal to dE plus PdV plus VdP are present in the dH. Now this value is substituting in this equation. What happened? dE plus PdV plus VdP minus TdS and SDT. Now we have to find out the dE plus PdV. dE plus PdV is equal to dG minus VdP plus TDS plus SDT. This value is substituting in this expression. What happened? TDS is greater than or equal to DG minus VDP plus TDS plus STD. Now in TDS and TDS is cancelled. Now we have to find out the value for the delta G. DG is less than or equal to VDP minus SDT. This expression is present in this equation. Delta G or DG is less than or equal to VDP. It means this is the positive VDP minus SDT. This expression is present in the. Now what is the criteria based on the DG is equal to at constant pressure and constant temperature is greater than or equal to 0. Now what happened? DG subscript P and T at constant P and T is greater than or equal less than or equal to 0. Therefore this is the DG at constant pressure and temperature. This is the irreversible and this is the reversible. What happened at constant change in Gibbs free energy at constant pressure and constant temperature is greater than 0, is less than 0. It means the sign of the delta G is negative. The reaction is irreversible or spontaneity or feasible. When the delta G equal to 0 at constant pressure and temperature, the reaction is irreversible or equilibrium. And delta G is greater than 0. It means delta G sign is positive. The reaction is non-spontaneous. This is the criteria based on delta G. And another one is the criteria based on work function or Helmholtz free energy. It means represented to the delta A. Now what is the expression? TDS is greater than DE plus PdV. But in A is equal to A, work function is equal to E minus TS. Now this is partial differentiation is change in S. It means dA is equal to dE minus TdS minus SDT. Now what happened in this equation? In this expression TE minus PdV, now we have to find out the TdS minus dE is greater than or equal to PdV. Now in this expression we have to find out these values, find out TdS minus dE. What happened there? TdS is positive, it means this is in this side. TdS minus dE equal to this dA is in this side minus dA minus STT. This value is present in this expression. We note that these values substituting in this equation. Now TdS minus dE is minus dA minus SDT is greater than or equal to PdV. Now we have to find out the dA. It means this is the negative. In this side this value is positive. It means SDT minus PdV is greater than or equal to dA. Now dA less than or equal to minus SDT and minus PdV are present in this expression. Now in criteria based on the work function is at constant volume and temperature dA subscript V and T to 0. Criteria based on the work function dA at constant volume and temperature is less than or equal to 0. It means is the less than symbol is represented to the Sign is represented to the process irreversible, and this is the reversible. Now at a constant volume and temperature, change in work function means less than zero, the reaction is irreversible or spontaneous. Equal to zero, the reaction is reversible or equilibrium, and less greater than zero, the reaction is non-spontaneous. This is the criteria based on the change in work function. Now I am right about the irreversible process and reversible process and equilibrium process. Irreversible or spontaneous and feasible. Feasibility, reversible or equilibrium, and non-spontaneous. And irreversible or spontaneous, feasible and reversible and equilibrium and non-spontaneous. What happened, the function is in the reversible and spontaneous feasible, the favorable condition is delta S is greater than 0 and delta E and delta G and delta A and delta H, these are the less than 0. This is the basic concept. Delta S is greater than 0, the reaction is irreversible, spontaneous or feasible. These four functions are the less than 0, the reaction are reversible or spontaneous or feasible. This is the basic criteria are based in the spontaneity of a reaction. And reversible and equilibrium, delta S equal to 0 and delta E and delta G and delta A and delta H, these are also equal to 0. This is the reaction is equilibrium or reversible. These functions are equal to 0. This is the criteria based on these thermodynamic functions. But non-spontaneous, delta S is less than 0, delta E and delta G and delta A and delta H, these are the greater than 0. This is the non-spontaneity of a reaction. The functions are less than 0 and delta S is greater than 0. This is the criteria based on the reaction is spontaneity or irreversible or non-spontaneity is depend upon these functions. This is the concept of the criteria for spontaneity of a reaction. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.